Today I'm going to be building a crystal grid and providing Reiki healing for forgiveness and love and peace. I believe that what the world needs right now is those three things: peace, love, and forgiveness. Just remember that forgiveness isn't saying that what happened is okay. It is saying that you're ready to release all the pain and move on. It is the ultimate love for ourselves to be able to release the pain and move forward with our lives. We're going to start with blue apatite in the center. And this promotes unconditional love and acceptance. It clears confusion and frustration. It awakens the inner self, expands knowledge and truth, eases sorrow, apathy, and anger. We're then going to move on to turquoise, round one. Turquoise is the master healer. It helps heal old emotional wounds. It brings positive energy. It soothes emotions. Next, we're going to place blue lace agate. And blue lace agate is an incredibly calming and peaceful stone. It's very nurturing and supportive. It neutralizes anger. It relieves stress. And it encourages realistic thinking, what we can and cannot accomplish in this world. What we can accomplish is spreading love and peace. What we cannot accomplish is controlling others. That just leads to more pain. Next, we're going to move to rose quartz. And rose quartz increases love and compassion towards others. It helps in understanding the situations of others during healing, and helps you understand that the things that were done that cause you pain were not personal. It allows us to open our hearts to unconditional love for ourselves. And once we can open our hearts to unconditional love for ourselves, we can then open our hearts for unconditional love for others. Next in our grid is going to be Amethyst. Amethyst is also a master healer. It helps open the heart to forgiveness. It helps to heal anger, resentment, and bitterness. It helps us find our highest self and be able to understand the pain of others and forgive the things that they did while they were feeling that pain. Next, we're going to have blue kyanite. Blue kyanite awakens compassion. It cuts through fears and blockages. It helps heal trauma. Many of us feel trauma from our past, and it manifests in our present, and we act out in ways that we don't really want to. And when you can realize that you yourself act out in ways that you do not want to because of trauma that you've had in your past, it can help you learn to forgive people who have acted out because of trauma in their past toward you. We all have pain, and sometimes we act in ways that are not becoming of ourselves. The best way to heal these things is by sending love to those people, because sending love to them will help heal that hurt inside themselves. When we send anger, all it does is complete a cycle that will keep going forever, because then the next person that they encounter, they will send that anger to them, and then the person that person encounters will send anger to that person, and it just keeps going without end. The only way we can heal is to send love and peace. Our final stone is going to be Lepidolite. Lepidolite is one of my favorites. It's beautiful, and it helps stop emotional extremes. It helps release negative energy. It helps heal pain that is attached to our past. It promotes a good mood and good feelings about ourselves and others. I release all the pains of the past. I forgive those that need forgiveness, and I forgive myself. release all the pains of the past. I forgive those that need forgiveness, and I forgive myself. I release all the pains of the past. I forgive those that need forgiveness, and I forgive myself. I release all the pains of the past. I forgive those that need forgiveness, and I forgive myself.